Every application you have runs on an operating system made up of several parts. So when you update one part, it may throw things off balance, still leave security threats open, and maybe flat out cause the app to not work. This means that your team spends time and resources manually fixing the issue, or you reject the update. That means stability, but you may lose out on improved performance in the update. Whether breach, crash, or latency, not keeping your OS up to date can have real consequences. You need Clear Linux, an OS that's secure, performant, manageable, and customizable. By scanning for vulnerabilities and automating the latest security updates, Clear Linux delivers an environment designed to minimize breaches without causing slowdowns. Automated testing checks OS components for dependency issues. Since Clear Linux is built with the end-user application in mind, it ensures that performance optimizations are done at every layer of the stack, so that when it comes to end-user application performance, you get the very best without having to worry about it. Where other distros have updates the size of the entire OS, Clear Linux software packages contain only the changed portion, leading to faster updates. Clear Linux is also easily customizable, so you can build a custom component, then use the Mixer tool to combine it with the rest of the OS without recompiling it all. And finally, having a file structure that is separated into distinct layers makes Clear Linux easier to manage. With performance, security, customization, and manageability, the Clear Linux OS will be a reliable, stable pillar for whatever apps you run on it. Learn more at clearlinux.org.